very good afternoon to all the dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, friends present here. As we come to close this insightful and inspiring 2 days capacity building workshop on business design and knowledge-based startup, it's my privilege and honor to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing team. First, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to today's our chief guest, Dr. Mng Sc, Chief Scientist, CSIR, Paris, for his valuable presence, sir, and thought-provoking stories, action, all kind of drama he has met, and sir, you have met this function really lightly. Thank you so much, and I believe that you will be a part of our function every time. Thank you, sir. Thank you for coming and having some good time with us. Sincere thanks to you, sir, Dr. Mng Sc, Executive Director, imphal. Also, my friend, Mr. Rosni Kumar Yambem, Managing Director, Globiz Web Solution Private Limited, for gracing us with your presence and sharing your practical entrepreneurial journey and perspective. And that was very meaningful, and I hope we all get a lot of knowledge, and we are benefited from all of you being here. We are especially grateful to our beloved Professor T.H. Bormaite, Director, Research and Development Cell, Manipur University. He is also our professor from Manipur Studies. Sir, we are very, very delighted for all kind of unwavering support, your visionary leadership, and for being the driving force behind the entire initiative of this 2 days workshop. I would also like to thank for our collaboration to the Manipur Management Studies, my parent organization, and the International Institute of Management Science, Kolkata, for their partnership and commitment to the capacity building in this region. To all our distinguished speakers, particularly we have Rajiv, we have every one of us, we are together for more than 10-15 years. We are known, Rosil is there. We are working as a team. When we talk about startup program, and especially when the Indian startup program was started as early as 2016, then in Manipur also Rosil has taken another initiative, and with Sir Rosni Kumar, every one of us, we have started a series of startup program, and we have also get some benefits of it. Today we find that many of the startups that are taking place in Manipur were the blessing of those occasions and those programs. A big thanks to all the entrepreneurs and the participants, research scholars, members, and all our students, volunteers who has taken your enthusiastic involvement and thoughtful in daily, and I feel very thankful to all of you. I also extend my